guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this look for you guys. I wanted to do something really dramatic and really glam. I feel like I haven't done a blue and silver combo in a really long time or ever on my channel, so I really wanted to do that for you guys today, and I love how the look turned out. A nice smoky cat eye, my favorite kind of looks. So if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte 42 Color Shadow Palette, and I'm picking up this cool light brown shadow. I'm going to start off by applying some translucent powder under my eyes to catch any of the fallout. Now with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm applying the shadow right into my crease and not winging it out or anything. I'm going into the Milani X Salt and Pepper Very Necessary Eyeshadow and Highlighter Palette. Now picking up None of Your Business. With my EO6 Wing Liner Brush, I'm going to start creating a line from the outer corner of my lash line, and then from that line going back into halfway onto my crease. And now to be a little more precise, I'm going into my E21 Smudge Brush by Sigma and applying that on the wing. So now I'm picking up the shadow on my finger, and I'm going to start swiping this right onto this outer third of my lid. And then applying that on the inner third of my lid. Now going into No One Does It Better. And now picking up this beautiful gunmetal shadow, I'm going to start applying this in the center of my lid. Okay, so everything's looking very rough right now. I'm just lightly blending this out. You don't really have to concentrate on blending it out right now, because next I'm picking up this E42 Precision Firm Blender Brush and just blending out the edges very, very lightly. I'm going into What a Man, and then picking up the slightest amount of the shadow on my E27 Detail Blending Brush. I'm going to start blending just the center of my crease and avoiding the winged shadow part, but just keep going back and forth using a really light hand and blending this out. And then going back and picking up that very first transition shade from the BH palette and applying that at the very high point of my crease to help blend everything out. And then going in with my finger again and tapping that on. And this time I'm just lightly tapping that into my crease. And then again, just lightly tapping to blend the shadows out. Now going into What a Man with my E54 Medium Sweeper Brush by Sigma and sweeping that along my lash line. And then picking up None of Your Business on my E21 Smudge Brush by Sigma and applying that over top just to add a little bit of shimmer. Now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Sabbath, I'm now going to line my lower waterline and then line my upper waterline. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going into the Benefit Cosmetics Cookie Highlighter. Now highlighting my inner corner with my Sigma F70 Concealer Brush. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Ardell 3D Foam Ink Lashes in 861. And that's the eye look done. Now for lips, I'm going to go into a cool tone nude. I want to keep my lips nude, keep all the concentration in my eyes. I'm obsessed with this look. So nice and dramatic. Loving the color combination. So I'm going into L'Oreal Le Chocolat Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Sweet Tooth. And that is it. This is the completed look of my blue and silver smoky cat eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this technique. I've done this technique a few times on my channel, and I feel like it always just looks so good with every color combination, and I love it. So I hope that you guys did as well. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!